To create a client, navigate to the Settings option under the Accounting menu and select Chart of Account. This will show the home page for the Chart of Accounts, which consists of a view of clustered accounts list. To create a new client, click on the Add button on the top right corner of the header section. The new Add Account page will be opened. Select the parent account and enter the parent account code. Once done, select the type of account. Here, select the client option, as this is client creation. In Close In, select Balance Sheet, as this type of client account falls under the balance sheet category. The account number will be generated automatically and it is open for freehand editing. Now, enter the name of the client. For the scope, it will only be filled for the parent account. The number written in the scope field will identify how many digits the system will take for the related sub-accounts. In our case, no need to fill the scope field since we are creating a transaction account. Now enter the tax number. And address details, including the street name. Select the country. Fill in the name of the city and state if it is applicable. Once done, enter the building number and plot office details. Then enter the PO Box number. Then, finally, check the local checkbox, which means the client account is available locally. And check Calc DOE, which enables difference of exchange to be calculated for this account. Once done, click Save. The system navigates to the home page of the Chart of Accounts screen. In this, the user can cross-verify the created client account. The system also allows the user to perform the basic actions: to view, update, and delete, select the created account, and click on the View option to view the client account details. Click on the Close option to go back to the home page. Now select the client account and click on the Update option, which permits the user to edit the created client account details, including the account number, can be edited only if it is not involved in any transaction. Once changes are done, click on Save for the updated data to be stored. A duplicate option is provided to minimize user effort, in which the system will create a duplicate entry of the client account with pre-filled data. The user can edit the necessary fields and click Save. A new client account will be added and can be seen on the home page. To To delete a client account, the user has to select the client account and click the Delete option. And if the user confirms, the client account will be deleted successfully. Any account can be deleted, only if it is not involved or used in any of the transactions.